Hey guys, welcome to MadTech. Today we'll be learning how to add another account on WhatsApp, and now let's dive right in. Now to add another account on WhatsApp, first open up your WhatsApp on your phone, and after opening your WhatsApp you'll be on this interface where you can see the three-dotted icon at the top right corner of the screen. Tap on it and tap on the settings option available for us just below the start messages. And on this interface you can see your name available at the top of the screen, and at the right side of that there is a drop down arrow with a green circle on it. Tap on that, and over here you can see the add another account or the add account button available for us. Tap on that add account button, and over here tap on agree and continue, and over here you will be on the sign up or the login process of your new or the another WhatsApp account which you want to add on your phone. And with that being said guys, enter your correct credentials, either sign up for a WhatsApp or sign into your WhatsApp. Either ways a verification code will be sent to you. Verify yourself over here and you will be able to use that account from over here. And guys, this is how to add another account on WhatsApp from over here. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.